Hi, this is Charlie Feimster. I'm with the IT department. I'm going to give you some tips on troubleshooting the access points that are in your school. You'll notice the access points like this are in your classrooms, and there's some located in the halls. There's a couple of things you can do to check these to make sure that they're working properly, and that's by the status light that's on the front here. Now this one I just plugged in to Ethernet, so it's booting up, so that's why it's flashing here. When this comes all the way up, and it'll take a couple minutes for this to come up all the way, but when it does come up, if someone is connected to it, you will have a solid blue light on it. That means it's functioning properly and a device is connected to it. If it's solid green, that means it's ready. It's in a ready state. It's just no one's connected to it at that time. Also, if it is flashing, that's an indication that there is an issue with the access point itself, and please go on and contact the IT department. Put in a work order for it, give the location of the access point. A lot of the access points will have a sticker either on the access point or on the ceiling close to that access point that will have actually an access point number. It'll have an AP, say 24 or something like that. And when you put in a work order, if you would, just put that so we'll be able to identify quickly which one it is that's given a problem. But I hope this tip helps if you have an access point problem, and we appreciate it. Thank you.